Yeah, welcome guys. You don't know you're gonna find a kitchen mix and taste. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today we have mix up something and drink it. Anything we mix, we drink. We have a rum, Ray and his nephew. We have a Surge Island milk. We have a supple gin. We have a coffee. And we have a coffee mate. So today now we are make some rum coffee punch or coffee rum punch. Any one of them sound good. Alright, so now first thing I do guys, get your ice. Get your ice. Ice in a blender, right? You get your coffee. We are Jamaicans, you know. We don't too measure nothing. We just throw it till we feel like we stop. So we throw in some coffee. Throw in some coffee. Throw in some coffee. Then we get to supple gin. I mean, I know that drinking, you know, so I don't mix a lot. Throw in supple gin till that voice says stop. Stop. Milk now. Hold on there guys. Milk. Whoa. We are throwing in 1 box of milk. No. Yes, that's good. Then we have a rum. Oh God. We have a rum now guys. So we are going to do now. We are going to throw in 1 bottle of rum. The 1 bottle of rum. Oh. Jesus Christ. Alright, I feel like here's a supple gin to go in there too. Man, I tell you, make sure you eat before you drink this. This is not normal, boy. Alright, boom him up. You can't use even sweet condensed milk, you know. You understand me? See what I want to know. Oh, me that much in there now? No, Father God. No, so much in there now. No, sir. Alright. Oh my God. Why? Woo! It's nice. Me don't want it too sweet, guys. Me don't want it too sweet. Right, sit here. Easy 1 tree. In the kitchen, easy 1 tree. Your coffee. You can put this in there whenever you want in there. You have your rum. You have your milk. You have your supple gin. I don't want to put little nutmeg or vanilla in it, but I don't want them something nice. So I'm going to see how it go on now. Cheers. Easy 1 tree. Just day woman you want something good to drink, the coffee rum punch. Oh God. Oh God. Oh Lord. I am. See? Sorry. Nice. Nice, guys. Oh. Ah. Nice and refreshing. Oh God. Alright, guys. Tune in again next time. We'll mix something and we'll drink it. Anything we mix, we drink. I'll tell you what to mix and we drink it. Remember to like, share and subscribe to each channel, guys. Big up.